Today we'll go ahead with the problems of exercise 9.3. See, both a minus b the whole square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. They want you to find the ratio of the numbers. So ratio means what? A divided by b. So you can see it is in the form a plus b into a minus b, or if you know a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. What is a n plus 1th term? A into r power n plus 1 minus 1. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of exercise 9.3. So dear students, in 9.3, problem 28, the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Show that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. See, they want you to assume the numbers and you have to prove it. Let us assume. Let A and B be the numbers. A and B be the numbers. Let us assume the numbers. I am assuming the numbers. Let A and B be the numbers. So now going ahead, they told the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. So A plus B means is equal to 6 times root AB. So all of you know sum of two numbers means A plus B. 6 times geometric mean. What is geometric mean? Root AB. So all of you know GM, therefore if A and B are the numbers means their geometric mean GM is what? Root AB. All of you know geometric mean of two numbers is root AB. So what is given? I wrote it. Call it as equation 1. Now we know a formula, that is A minus B the whole square. All of you know A minus B the whole square in mathematics can be written as A plus B the whole square. In that remove 4ab. See, what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. In that plus 2ab, if I remove minus 4ab, it will become minus 2ab. Then this will become a minus b the whole square. See, both a minus b the whole square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. A plus b, you know, what is a plus b? 6 root ab. 6 root ab the whole square minus 4ab. So that will give you, all of you know 6 square is 36, root AB square is AB, 36 minus 4AB, 36 minus 4AB gives you what? 32AB. So now you got A minus B the whole square. So now we have A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square is 32AB and A minus B is root 32 into root AB. Now we call this as equation 2. Taking A minus B becomes root of 32AB, or like this I can write. All of you know root 32 can be written as 16 2s are 32 under root under AB. So root 16 is 4 root 2 AB you can write. So 4 root 2 into root AB. So let us call this equation A minus B the whole square. And from this, what is A minus B? A minus B, we got 4 root 2 root AB. Call it as equation 2. So dear students, you have A minus B with you. In the last case, we got A plus B is 6 root AB. A plus B is 6 root AB. So now equation 1 and equation 2 you can solve. Equation 1, A plus B is 6 root AB. Equation 2, A minus B is 4 root 2 AB. So add 1 and 2. So now I'll write one under the other. A plus B is 6 root AB and A minus B is 4 root 2 root AB. So call this as 1 and 2. Now we'll add and 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. If I add these two, all of you know plus B minus B cancels. We call A plus B 6 root AB as equation 1. A minus B is equal to 4 root AB as equation 2. We'll add 1 and 2. When you add 1 and 2, plus B minus B cancels. Plus B minus B cancels. A plus A becomes what? 2A. Right side 6 root AB plus 4 root 2 root AB. Now we can take terms common here. So we have 2A is equal to, so in the 6 root 2 AB, and in these two I'll take 2 common and root AB common. 2 root AB if I take common, the first term becomes 3, second terms becomes 2 root 2 and outside we have 2 root AB. So we got this, and transfer 2 to this side. A is equal to 2 root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by what? 2. 2 cancels. So now you got A value. What is A? Root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2. Call this as equation 3. So now we got the value of A. We need to find the ratio of A and B. So put this in equation. Put A in equation 1. What is equation 1, dear students? A plus B is equals to 6 root AB. So transfer this. So B is equal to what? 6 root AB minus A. So that is 6 root AB minus A. What is A value? Root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2. So in these two terms I can take root AB common. If I take root AB common, it will be 6 minus, open the brackets, minus 3 plus into minus 2 root 2. So now all of you know 6 minus 3 root AB into 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 2 root 2. So this is the value of B. Now you got B, call it as equation 4. So now you got A value and also you got B value. We got A value. A value is what? Root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2. We got B value, root AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. They want you to find the ratio of the numbers. So ratio means what? A divided by B. So now we'll consider, that's what they want you to prove, the ratio of the numbers. So now we'll consider the ratio of the numbers. Now the ratio. Now I'll consider A by B. Consider A divided by B. Dear students, you got A. What is A you got? A is root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2. Substitute. We will continue. That is, they want A by B. So, A value we got just now. A is what? Root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2. If you refer the last case, A you got this. And B is what? Root AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. And you also got B. B is what? Root AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. Substitute it. Ratio means A by B. So that is root AB into 3 plus 2 root 2 by root AB into 3 minus 2 root 2. So root AB and root AB cancels. We are left out with 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. So A by B. Therefore ratio of the numbers. We got what they want you to prove. So ratio of the numbers. What is meant by ratio of the numbers? That is A divided by B or A is to B. A is to B is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Hence the proof. Simple problem. But the basic is here. The basic is what? Algebraic conversion. A minus B the whole square can be written as A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. This is the key. So all of you know, just let me glance out the key. So you know, A plus B the whole square can also be written as A minus B the whole square minus 4AB. Makes your process faster. So if you expand this, this will become what? A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 4AB. That will be same as what? A plus A square plus B square minus 2AB. That will be same as what? A minus B the whole squared. So this will be same as this. I hope all of you got this. Writing A minus B the whole square is equal to A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. And substitute it because you know sum of two numbers they gave 6AB, 6 root AB. So A minus B the whole square is A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. A plus B value is 6 root AB whole square minus 4AB. Simplify, you'll get A value. A minus B the whole square is 32AB. After you get A minus B the whole square as 32AB, you can further go for what? A minus B. A minus B will become root of. So we need A minus B. A minus B the whole square is 32AB. A minus B becomes what? Root 32. Take square root on both sides. So root 32 can be written as 16 twos. Root 16 is 4 root 2. So you got A minus B. This is equation 2. Equation 1 what they gave. Equation 2 you got. Add 1 and 2 so that B cancels. After you cancel B, you will get A value. This is the key. Once you get A, put the value of A in equation 2. So equation 1, so A plus B is 6 root AB. In the place of A, substitute the value of A. You will get the value. A, you transfer that side, minus A, and value of A, this value I have substituted here, and you will get the value of B. After you get AB, take ratio. Hence the proof. We will go ahead with the problem 29 of your textbook. arithmetic mean if A and capital G, if capital A and capital G be the arithmetic mean and geometric mean respectively between two numbers, positive numbers, prove that the numbers are A plus or minus root of A plus G into A minus G. We have to say, or we have to prove these are the numbers. So how to do? So let us assume, let A and B be the numbers. B be the numbers. We'll assume A and B be the numbers. Now we'll go ahead with the number values. What is arithmetic mean? All of you know arithmetic mean is what? A plus B by 2. But they told arithmetic mean is A. So instead of A, I'll write A is A plus B by 2. This is given. And GM, geometric mean. Geometric mean I told you root of two numbers AB. And they gave geometric mean as G. G is root AB. So AM is A plus B by 2. GM is root AB. Now A plus or minus, prove that the numbers are this. So now I'll assume this value. So whatever is given, I'll take. What is given? A plus or minus root of A plus G into A minus G. Let us consider this. So now simplify. What is A? Arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? A plus B by 2. Now A plus G into A minus G. So you can see it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. Or if you know A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So I can write it as A square minus G square. So now further, that is A plus B by 2 plus or minus root of A square. What is A square? A plus B by 2 the whole square minus G square root AB the whole square. Now simplify this. So that is A plus B by 2 plus or minus root of. So now it will become A plus B the whole square, all of you know A square plus B square plus 2AB. Denominator 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. Minus root AB the whole square. Square root cancels. It will be AB. Now simplify RHS. So we have A plus B by 2 is exactly equal to, plus or minus root of what we have? So now if I take LCM, 4 is the LCM. Further it will be A square plus B square minus plus 2AB plus 2AB. 4 into minus AB is minus 4AB. Simplify this further. A plus B by 2 in LHS is plus or minus root of A square plus B square minus 2AB by 4 I can write. Further that is A plus B by 2 plus or minus root of, this will become A minus B the whole square. You know A square plus B square minus 2AB is A minus B the whole square. This can be written as 4 can be written as 2 square. So that is A plus B by 2 plus or minus A minus B the whole square under root is just A minus B. 2 square under root is what? 2. So now we have two cases. We'll split them and we'll get the two numbers. So one number should become A, other number should become B when you solve it. So now finally you are left out with A plus B by 2 plus or minus A minus B by 2. Two cases we have. So I'll split it into two cases. One case is purely A plus B by 2 plus A minus B by 2. The other case is A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. So I am taking positive this and RHS, there are two terms, A plus B by 2 plus A minus B by 2. The other one is A plus B by 2 minus A minus B by 2. Now what is the LCM for these two? 2. Then simplify, it will become A plus B plus A minus B. So simplify, this will become by 2. A plus B, open the brackets, minus A, minus of minus plus B by 2. Now further, plus B minus B cancels, A plus A is 2A by 2. And here, minus A plus A cancels, B plus B 2B by 2. Further A and B. So this is A and one part gives you B. Therefore, the numbers are A and B. Numbers are A and B. Therefore, A is what? One number A is A plus root of A plus G into A minus G. The other number is B. B is what? A minus root of A plus G into A minus G. So see, when I take A plus G into A minus G, I will get one number. Plus or minus I continued. If you refer A, so a and a plus b by 2 is a and a minus b by 2 is j, and when I substituted in this I got two numbers a and b. When I substituted I am getting the numbers as a and b. So therefore a is this and b is this, hence the conclusion. Next, the number of bacteria in certain culture doubles every hour. For 1 hour it will double. If there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, means initially, let a is 30, okay. Then further, how many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour? They want at the end of second hour, after 2 hours, and fourth hour, and nth hour. So we can, so now first let me write. So first 30 is there, doubles. What is double of 30? 60 after 1 hour. Then doubles, what is 60 double? 2 times 60 is 120. Then what is double of 120? 240. It goes on like this. Every hour. So this is first hour after 1 hour. This is after second hour. Then third hour. See, A1, A2, A3, third hour. See, A3 means after 2 hours. After 2 hours, it is A3. After 2, say after first hour, it will be 60. After second hour, 120. So, therefore, second hour is 120. Now, A is, dear students, A is what? 30, first term. And they are in geometric proportion, because if you divide, so 60 by 30 if you do, A2 by A1 if you do, is same as 60 by 30. In turn is same as, that is 31 is 32, so it is 2 double. The ratio is R is 2. So now clearly 30 is the first term and 60 double. R common ratio if multiply into 2. Into 2 is 120. Into 2 is 240. A third, A fourth, like that goes on. See, A1 is 30. I can also call it as A. This is after first hour. After first hour. After second hour. After third hour. So therefore, second hour, A2, second hour means after second hour, we have 120. Number of bacteria, very important, because here people will get confused. Number of bacteria is 120. After second hour it is not 60. After first hour, after 1 hour it will become 60. Second hour it will become 120. So second hour means A3. Second hour is A3. So after fourth hour, so therefore fourth hour means one more is equal to A5. What is A5? They are in geometric proportion. AR, in geometric proportion, AN is AR power n minus 1. So A 5 minus 1, A is 30, R is what? 2 power 5 minus 1. So 30, 2 power 4, 30 into what? 2 power 4 is 16 after 4th hour. So like that. So 2 power 4th hour means that's what they want, right? After 4th hour, yes, 5 minus 1. So 16 into 30, 480. You can see here also in chart, 240 becomes what? 480. This is after what? 4th hour. 4th hour this much. So you will get that. Nth hour, dear students, second hour means A third term. 4th hour means A fifth term. So therefore what is nth? Nth hour will be A n plus 1th term. What is A n plus 1th term? A into R power n plus 1 minus 1. That is A R power n. A is what? 30. 30 R power n. That is 30 into 2 power n. 30 into 2 power n is the answer. In nth hour, there will be 30 into 2 power n bacteria. See, interesting is 30 initially. After 1 hour, it will become 60. First hour, it is 60. Means first hour means second term. So, second hour means third term. Third hour means fourth term. Fourth hour means fifth term. So like that. Sixth hour means seventh term, 1 term extra. Nth hour means n plus 1th term. What is A n? A into R power n minus 1. What is A n plus 1? A n plus 1 is A R. See, now I want A R n plus 1. A n plus 1 is A into R power. In the place of n, we have n plus 1. N plus 1 minus 1. A n is A into R power n minus 1. A n plus 1 is A into R power n plus 1 minus 1. Cancels, you'll get this. A 30. R common ratio 2. We'll get the answer. So now we have completed the problem, that is 30 R power n. So Till this you can become thorough. So subsequently you can also solve the problems, other problems of the same exercise. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.